I'm living, I'm able, I'm breathing, I'm grateful.
Hi my beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If it's the first time here, my name is Cam Hete and you're welcome. And if you are a returning subby, what do you do, honey? Purr. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. As you can see, I look cute and stuff, I know. We are on our way to my sister. I'm going to visit my sister, but she has no idea that I'm coming, so it's gonna be a little surprise for her, you know. Without further ado, without me wasting your time, let's go. It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. The way it's so hot, I can't faint. Shamadwana.
Yo, DJ Smash Up.
Let's go. Guys, I'm bored. One thing about staying alone, you get bored. That's one thing for sure. But in this boredness, it comes with peace. Peace of mind. You hear how quiet it is? Peace. That's peace. guys, I just got back. I want to quickly show you the stuff that I got because I'm a woman. I went there to fix my phone and then jiggy I bought grocery. For what reason, I don't know. So let me quickly show you the stuff that I got and then, yeah.
Oh, that's nuts, Lily. That's nuts, Lily. That's nuts, Lily. That's nuts, Lily.
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spring fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear.
Hi, my beautiful people. It's another day of the vlog. I just came back from the mall and then I did my hair. How nice, how clean, how cutesy, how kitty. Oh, so nice, Anna. Like, yo, guess how much I paid? 50 rand for this freehand. 50 rand. 50, only 50 rand. So if you wanna do your hair, you can DM me. I'll plug you with the girl who did my hair for 50 rand. She's so cheap and she does nicely, like as you can see, like, you know, yeah. But anywho, guys, I just want to quickly show you what I got from Take a Lot. So let's do a little unboxing together. Oh, I look so cute. But it's pongo, it's pumile, it's pongo, it's got knowledge. So let's quickly unbox together. Take a Lot unboxing. Oh my gosh. I got myself a a selfie stick. I got myself a stick. Nice, cool. I got myself a selfie stick. 1.7 meter length, like, put some respect on my name, bro. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this tripod for a long time, guys. Like, I've been wanting this tripod for the longest time. How does it work? Oh, can remote that thing again? Because they said it comes with the remote. That's the whole point of buying this. I keep on a remote, like, yeah, hala. Wow. Oh, here's the remote, guys. See, and then, yeah, you know the vibes. See, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Ay, 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 ay. This is long. Longer than I expected. It's long, so I'll be doing vlogs, like daily vlogs, you know. And it's so strong, guys. Yo. Wow. I'm so happy. So I got this. And I've been wanting it, Shem. Yo. I'm happy that I got it. Yo. Yeah. Ay, 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 ay. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy because this retails for 300 and I got it at Take a Lot for 164. 168, yeah. I got it for 168. So I'm so happy. Like, Take a Lot came through for the girlies. Where would I got 300? Yeah, 300. And then the moment for this baby. Nga screamer. Get him out, get him out. Oh my gosh. I'm already obsessed. Like, what do you mean? These people are passing by, like. Pink for the girlies, okay? Pink for the girlies. Pink for the girlies. What do you mean? These are my headphones, guys. Like, okay. Oh, they're adjustable, ne? But for me, they're okay because I have a small head. Like, we'll get in fact tonight. Okay, they come with this cable, which I won't be using because I'm using an iPhone. I'm joking. I will, because I also have a Samsung. And a pamphlet. It comes with it comes in various colors, as you can see. So purple was out of stock, so I had to take pink. Pink for the babies. So yeah, this is the pamphlet and all that, how it works and all that. And then with this charger. So yeah, that's all for today. And I think I'm gonna close up the vlog here. The problem, I don't know how long this vlog is, honestly speaking, but yeah, I'll close up the vlog here. If you watched it up until this far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also share on all your platforms. And if you are a returning Sabi, baby, thank you so much for watching up until the end. I love you guys so much. See you on the next one. Bye.